What's up? Welcome back. We're on our way to, well, wait. Whoa, so much excitement. But welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi, Pookie, welcome back. So basically, we're on our way to the airport. We're on our way to Dubai. But we're not going now, but we're leaving soon for the airport. And I just thought I would do my intro now because I know later I'm just gonna forget. But yeah. Oh, also, I'm also gonna do like a quick what's in my travel bag. What's in my travel bag? Stuff. I got an SD card for my camera, a book. I have the Bible because I take God everywhere I go with me. I want it. Then I have my prescription glasses. Yeah, I have a bonnet. My chargers. Then I have, oh, did you guys see? This is a hairnet for my hair. My AirPods. And then 2 Korean face masks. One is my mom's and one is mine. Covers for my lenses for my camera. This bag is just this thing I got from Chanel. It's like a, I think there's like tweezers. I got this when I went to like a master class. So this is what it has. Very cutesy, very demure. And I have my lip gloss. I'm actually gonna put it on now. Yeah, that's what's in my travel tote bag. I'll speak to you guys when we're on our way to the airport.
You look fine as style, but an imperfection. Can you be mine forever? She's a yeah.
Yo, we just got to the airport and we're wrapping our bags. Yeah. We just got to the airport.
I'm trying to figure out, but the only thing that matters is growing together, darling.
Are you all the way there? I'm just making sure. Cause you seem kinda crazy.
Knock, is she home? Been to whereabouts, her unknown. No one upstairs in her dome. Don't care what she says, don't make no sense. Merry-go-round, I'm hurt, think I know now. Undercover, how could I drown? Distant lover, someone pull me out. Just knocking your door. Knock, is she home? Been to whereabouts, her unknown. No one upstairs in her dome. Don't care what she says. wonderful. You don't even care what kind of shoes I wear. I don't give a fuck. And I love you for that. Girl, I love you. Let's get married. Let's do it. I think it's wonderful. You don't care about my shoes. Well, I've got new moves. Oh, baby. You met me at the top of my life when I had nothing. Well, I've got some news. They can't stop me. I've got new boots on my feet, baby. New boots on my feet. They can't stop me. New boots on my feet. They can't stop you. I'd like to thank you. I never thought these would be that comfortable, but here I am. They can't stop me. I've got new boots on my feet, baby. I'd like to thank you for being there for me, keeping me warm, keeping my feet warm. They can't stop me.
Dubai shortly, visit the your seat and make sure your baggage is under the seat in front of you or in the overhead locker. Your seat must be upright with the armrest down and your seatbelt is fully fastened. Fold away your tray table.
Actually, where are my Birkenstocks? These shits actually hurt.
Yo, remember when she told me I should travel more? Now she message come home whenever I'm abroad.
Hi guys, I'm so embarrassed, but like we literally passed out. Like we went to bed very late yesterday and we only managed to like get like 2-3 hours of sleep on the plane. Then we landed obviously, and then we came to the hotel and there was just a lot of like drama with it. Not drama, but we had to like check in, but our rooms weren't ready till like 3, but like they managed to get us like our rooms at 9, and then when we got here we literally passed out. Literally just passed out. So now we're just gonna get ready. It's literally so late. It's like 5:30. It is winter in Dubai, so it's a little bit like the weather's not the best. Like it's not sunny. I mean the sun is out, but it's not like hot, but it's like good, because the last time we came here it was literally like so hot. So yeah, the best time to come is around this time because everything's just chilled. But we'll show you guys. Oh, this is what it looks like outside.
Let's have it right. Not so hot, let's check the Fahrenheit. So only makes sense they put the man in ice. A few new things, new chains, new rings.
We're waiting for our Uber. We're going to the mall.
Flame to nuts and I'm just being honest. New song but there ain't no one that I hear running. Got them all like Trump covering their ears from it. For me they throw a fist of power while they in the shower. Eyes closed with that iPhone trying to get louder. I heard your man them close the tabs and they quit the browser. Yo, but navigating through the scene is really like a maze. I know she liking what she sees, she tryna ride the wave. Tryna bring my family through this thing, I'm kinda like the Waynes. But Nux is the rock, I'm kinda like the Wayne. Nothing but my Johnson and my word in this mighty game. But niggas tryna break them like they swiping chains. I'm on their next with my next one, if I can say it's nothing like the last or it's dark, it's kinda night and day. Still mourning the losses they decide to take. I eat my cake and just wait, another slice of cake. Old bros try to desert me, now it's pie and face. Cause they were salty, not surprised they didn't like the
Guys, so we're at this restaurant called Vlogma. And we came here last time. The food is really good, so we're having dinner here again. It's 7:30. Yeah.
Take a pick, it lasts longer. Distance makes the heart thunder. My yardie ting stepped in my yard like what the Ross bun, but can't front the backs getting clapped like an ass thunder. But I ain't tryna strike twice, so where her dog's number? You know?
Right,
like, come home now.
Yeah, I said I love it when you get me in the mood. Yeah, say you ask me, you must be a fool. Oh yeah, yeah. Better get it for somebody else do. She said she down and she tryna be my boo. Baby, get a clue. Know you feeling me and everything I do. Keep it on the low, with it like no one knew. She said she ain't a hoe, but her friends she running through. Her husband was a low, so
We just had dinner and now we are going to
You said you needed
window shop. Okay, let's go to Sephora.
Yay! We're going now, right?
The night is still young. The night is still young.
blue. You all up in your phone, tryna tie it like a shoe. I'm all up in your head like you caught up with the flu. She said she wanna ride, so the stickers on glue. She said she down for the vibes and the views. Yeah, nigga ain't me, he a goof. I ain't gotta lie, tell the truth. Say my name.
I'll never die. Good morning, guys. Okay, guys, so today we're going to the mall. I'm gonna do an outfit check, but we're looking for a spot to take photos. So we're gonna go to the beach. We're going to West. I think it's called West Beach. It's literally right outside our hotel. Let me see. Literally right there.
Like a doctor, eh? We can act like it's not that. I just wanted to kick it right in Mikasa. Say my name, call me Papa, eh? All in guts like a doctor, eh? We can act like it's not that. I just wanted to kick it right in Mikasa.
So I'm trying on these tops at Off-White. They have this white one, but I feel like it's very basic. Guys,
Raising Cane's.
we got Raising Cane. Raising Canes. I got. What did you get, Sasha?
I got, I don't know, I forgot what I got.
Something to do with like
Chicken
three
tenders and bread.
chicken tenders, bread, and then
You know what?
the sauce. So I'm trying that out now. Oh, and I also got lemonade. Can I please have my straw? I also got lemonade.
We'll start with the chicken tenders and the cheese.
The fries are really
You know that
good.
song, Vanessa?
I just wish they were warm, like hot,
What's the name of that song, Vanessa?
bursting.
Let me try to do it. Oops.
Mmm.
It's a good man.
I'm talking my soup. Let's taste the bread.
I'm just used to, I don't know what you guys are.
Mmm. It's a good 8 out of 10 for me. Hi guys, so now I'm calling Deborah on Meet because the Wi-Fi, I don't know what she's doing. She keeps doing the same TikTok. But we're going for a walkie. I don't like the way my makeup looks right now, but my brother says it looks nice. I don't think so. So I'm gonna come back and change my makeup, like fix it. Yeah, like I'm gonna touch it up because I'm taking photos today. This is my bikini. I don't know, guys. Tell me if it looks nice. I don't think it looks nice, but it's fine. Maybe it just needs to marinate. You know when your makeup marinates? Hilton doesn't know that, but your makeup sometimes just needs to marinate. Like even the contour, like I forgot to. Bye guys.
No sleep on seats. That's a mattress.
But I wanted to take pictures by the beach. Everybody's just saying the weather's really bad. This is what the weather looks like. I don't know why I'm speaking like that. I think it's because like there was these girls that walked past with like an UK accent, and then I just wanted to copy them.
Shawty, enjoy.
He did not say Sade. He would say that, brother. Why do you keep lying on my name, yeah? Do you think I could get away with living in the UK for like a day?
You know, you can tell it's fake.
You can't tell it's fake.
You really can.
Oh my gosh, we could have ordered, what's that thing? Raisin Canes on this thing.
Because you needed a card. We didn't have cash.
We only had cash, yeah, because we're not trying to use our UK cards.
What bank do you use?
In the UK. I don't really want to disclose that information on camera. Because what if they hack me?
Okay, where do you pay your taxes to in the UK?
Why are we speaking about the UK? We're in Dubai. Jeez, that's a nice car. But yeah, we're waiting, yeah. How far is this person? The Uber is literally 2 minutes away, 1 minute away. It should be around the corner any second now. Just give it like a minute.
You need to, like, you know when you're an Uber driver now, and sometimes you might be lost. You need to be like, oh, there's my client over there.
Lads on a tour.
Are you all the way there? I'm just making sure. Cause you seem kinda crazy.
Knock, knock, is she home? Mental whereabouts are unknown. No one upstairs in her dome. Don't care what she says, don't make no sense. Merry-go-round, I'm hurt, ain't got no doubt. Undercover, how could I drown? Just in love.
Hilton's about to go on the slide. He's so excited.
This is not my vibe.
What's your vibe?
My vibe.
Mental whereabouts are unknown. No one upstairs in her dome. Don't care what she says, don't make no sense.
We're in Dubai Marine.
We're getting coffee now because it's cold.
Dubai is winter time.
Yeah, it's winter time.
I'm hurt, ain't got no doubt. Undercover, how could I drown? Distant lover, someone pull me out. Just knocking you down.
Girl, you're so wonderful. So wonderful. You don't even care what kind of shoes I wear. I don't give a fuck. And I love you for that. Girl, I love you. Let's get married. Let's do it.
I think it's wonderful. You don't care about my shoes. Well, I've got new moves. Oh, baby. You met me at the top of my life when I had nothing. Well, I've got some news. They can't stop me. I've got new boots on my feet, baby.
What stuff that I want to show you. So this is a haul from like when we went shopping on Saturday. I just got Summer Fridays. So this is what the packet looks like. So they gave me this bag. It's so cute. So this is what the bag looks like. I don't know if you can. From Summer Fridays we got this lip balm. I got 3. 1 because they all look aesthetically pleasing, and then 2 because You see, so this one is Hot Cocoa, the chocolate brand. This is vanilla beige. I already know. No, this is vanilla. So this is like clear. And then this is brown sugar. I've tried this one before. I really loved it. Obsessed. Yeah. Also got sunscreen from Summer Fridays because I want to try it out. It looks so good. Like I think Eloise was trying it on her channel and I was like, need to get that. The jet lag face mask, love it so much too. I feel like it just eats. Like also saw it on Eloise. When I try them out, I'll probably try them out tomorrow, like before I do my makeup. But yeah, to purchase. I wanted to get like a tote bag and I'm like, okay, let me go for Marc Jacobs because it's not too big and it's not too small. Like it's perfect. It fits my laptop and everything, right? Just know where it is. And I got such a nice color. I don't want to unbox fully, but I got a hat from here as well. So because it's Christmas, the bag comes with like a, and then this is the hat I got. This color, what color is this? Also such a neat color, guys. What color is this? It's dusty already. Oh, got a cramp. But it's like beige, white. Yeah, got that. My phone just fell. New shades. It has like this thingy to keep your glasses in. It has this to wipe your glasses. And it has like a little that. And then also got this. I love the case. I feel like it's so cute. These are the shades. It had like plastic on them, like thingies to cover up this part, but I took them out because I was trying them on. But this is what they look like. I feel like it's so cute. Ah, love, 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 love. But yeah, that's what I got so far, guys. I also got shoes and a bag, but I'll unbox that on Christmas because I'm gonna do like a whole unboxing thing. But yeah, that's all for today. Tomorrow we have actual plans, so I'll take you guys along. But for now, good night.